Use affiliate marketing to the fullest with these ideas. Affiliate marketing is a tried and true way to make your website turn a profit. But good affiliate marketing is not a no-hassle money spigot. You need to put in plenty of effort to make it pay off. Your efforts will be more productive, though, the more you learn about the process. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the company you are advertising has a good reputation. Doing business with a disreputable company can be detrimental to you in two ways. You may be forced to wait for large amounts of time to get your money, and your customers' trust in you will diminish. Design your site for people. A well-designed site increases the probability that your visitors will follow the path that you want them to. If your site is messy and unorganized, you will never get a customer who understands your product, let alone one that wants to buy what you're selling. If you want to maximize your profits through affiliate marketing with minimal effort, ideas like these can help you out. Just remember that no particular strategy or tactic is guaranteed to work, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Keep learning to stay on top of the best affiliate marketing strategies. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.